I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the presentation and navigating to the slide that contains the chart you need to change. Click the chart once so anchors appear and the Chart Tools ribbon shows up. This gives you the controls you need. Then choose Edit Data to open the embedded Excel sheet. Once done, you can update numbers directly. Make sure you save the PPT after edits so embedded data stays synchronized. And note whether the chart is linked to an external file versus embedded. Once the data table is visible, edit the cells corresponding to each series and category. This updates the visual immediately. If you need structural changes, use Select Data to add, remove, or reorder series. That lets you control legend entries and ranges. Next, use the Chart Tools Design and Format tabs to change chart type, apply color themes, and tweak axis options so labels remain readable. Make sure to check marker sizes and grid lines, because they have to finish, close the data worksheet and inspect the chart in slide context. Confirm titles, axis labels, and legends are accurate and aligned. If your chart was linked to an external workbook, update links or export to embed the current values. When proportions seem off, check axis scaling and series ranges. Sometimes a secondary axis or an outlier skews the view. If things still look wrong, undo the last change, verify the source cells, and then reapply formatting to preserve correct visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.